Now, if you understand the word of what standard means, then you can easily understand what accounting standards are going to mean. Accounting is what we have already seen, recording of the business transactions. And the standards, when we say, we are talking about the practices, we are talking about the rules, we are talking about the methods which needs to be followed by any organization when they are doing accounting. So when we say standard, now suppose if I'll give you something to solve like this, okay, this is something like this, I will give you to solve. You will not go in a sequence, right? There is one rule which is to be used. Do you remember that rule?
By Bodmas system.
Good. So I have to first, suppose if there is a bracket, suppose this is the bracket, I have to solve the bracket first. Then the bracket of whatever. A sequence is fixed. Okay. So BODMAS we say. So in that case, you can easily understand when we are solving any sum, there needs to be some standard practice which needs to be followed by each and every person. Otherwise, what will happen? Each one will be doing something else, and the answer of each person will come different. But since it's a sum, it should give you the exact and one single answer only if it is performed by multiple people also. That's the reason why also in case of accounting, what we are going to do, there needs to be some standard practices and some standard methods which needs to be followed. So when we talk about accounting standard, we mean some standards, some practices, some rules, and some methods needs to be common. When we talk about accounting standard, we mean the practices, rules, and methods which needs to be followed by each and every organization which is doing accounting needs to be same. If not same, at least they need to be similar. Now, why it needs to be same if the rules, practices, and methods which are being followed by different companies are different? What will happen? The people who are going to refer to these statements will not able to be exactly able to evaluate these statements, because suppose if A company's balance sheet you will find, and B company's balance sheet if you will find, C company's balance sheet and the profit and loss account you find. So each and every company, if they are following the different rules, then whatever you are going to come across, profit and loss account and balance sheet, these three will not be comparable. I cannot compare because each and every, what do we say, each and every statement which is created is a bit different. Just take an example. If you say your report card, how people understand the report card, they will check out how much marks you have got out of the total marks. Second thing, that they can understand the percentage also. So there are so many people who may ask you how much percentage of marks that you have got. These people understand the concept of percentage, right? Even if they don't understand what all subjects that you have, what all details that are there in the subject, but they at least understand the notion or the concept of percentage. They'll ask you how much percentage of marks that you have got, right? So you can easily understand when we talk about accounting standards, we mean the rules, principles, or methods which needs to be followed when you are doing accounting, because these rules will be followed by different organizations. If each organization is following different rules, if each organization is following different methods, what will happen? The end result, this company's balance sheet and the other company's balance sheet, you cannot compare. But what happens when we have seen a list of different stakeholders, employees, suppliers, customers, then general public, government, all these people need to refer to these statements for comparing and for taking decisions. Now, if each one is following different rules, you cannot take the decision and you cannot compare their performance at all. And for that reason, to bring some uniformity, number one, the objectives. Now we are discussing about what is the objective of accounting standard. Number one, to bring uniformity in the practices which are being followed by different organizations, that accounting standards are there. Now, if you see some 10, 15, 100 years before, there were not much proper rules and practices. if you see earlier how many depreciation methods used to be there, so there were so many, 5, 6 methods were there. With passing of time, what they have done, they have decided when you want to charge depreciation, you can make use of only two methods, either WDV or you can make use of a straight line method. Even if you don't understand what these methods are, just try and understand. If I will be charging depreciation, these are the two methods. So there were so many methods, but they have made now these two methods. May say you have to follow any one of them, and whatever method you are following, you also need to mention that you have followed this method for doing calculation. So other person, the person who is referring to the statement, will come to know which particular method, which particular practice that you are following in your accounting data. Number one, so to bring uniformity in the statements of different companies. Okay, so the proper format needs to be there. Each one should understand the details. If I want to find out something, so I will be easily able to understand and find out that details from the statement of one company and same details from the other company, right? So to bring uniformity, this is there. Second, since each and every company will be using uniform practices or same practices, what will happen? So since both of them are using the uniform practices, it is easy for me now to compare. So if they are using different practices, the end result which is there, I cannot compare the end result, means financial statement of one company, I cannot compare with the other company since both have followed different practices. Okay. Uniformity needs to be there, and since uniformity will come, obviously your statements will be easy to compare with different companies because you are following same practices, right? So since other companies at the international level that they are following some standards, so we are trying to see compare with that standard, the rules and practices which you are following, it should match with the international standards as well, or the practices which are uniform all over the world. Okay, and that's the reason why also we are doing this. So you can easily understand when we talk about the standards, what we mean or what we talk about is the document, okay, which is going to help you finalize the practice, the rule or the method which is considered as a standard method and which needs to be adopted by all. So have you understood the concept of accounting standard? When we say accounting standard, we mean the document or the rules and regulations which needs to be followed while doing accounting. So if all the companies are following similar accounting rules, practices and all that, then there will be uniformity. So it will be easy for the different people or stakeholders to compare the statements of different companies, and it will also be easy for the company to match with the international standards. Then next, to reduce the variations. Means this is very similar to this point, uniformity and reducing the variations. So to reduce these variations, what we are doing is we are following common practices, common policies, common rules, common practices by the different organizations. So there will not be any variation. Now next, what will happen if there is a variation? Okay, if there is variation, now if people are manipulating the data using the different methods, what will happen? That other people who are referring to this data may not believe in the truth and fair view of the business. So whatever data that they are disclosing through this, that is the financial statements, they may not be authentic, they may not be true and fair. And that is the reason why when we talk about accounting standards, we are following all these accounting standards so that true and fair view of business can be shown and reliability will increase. So hopefully you understood the concept of accounting standards.